Kids, in previous class we learnt that we get food directly or indirectly from plants, right? Now let us guess few more plant parts that we eat on our daily life. For example, fenugreek, we call it as menthulu. So the leaves and seeds of this fenugreek plant is edible. Coming to mustard, that is avalu. So leaves and seeds of this plant can be eaten. Next is sugarcane. So we get the sugar and the stem of the sugarcane plant can be taken as the food. Carrot, it is a taproot. Onion, these are the modified leaves of the plant. Cabbage, again the leaves of the plant. And asafoetida, which is used as spices or condiments, is a resin from the rhizome and root of that particular plant. So now we learnt about the food from plants. Coming to the food from animals. We all know that food is the important thing or important energy source for all the living organisms. So humans consume food not only from plants but also from animals in cooked form. So the food we get from animals is in form of different animal products that are very rich in nutrients, proteins, calcium, etc. So animal products are also used as food directly or indirectly. Milk, eggs and meat are the important examples of food from animals. So animal products too are a rich source of nutrients. So the food chain is composed of exactly these animals, starting with organisms that use the energy of the sun to the apex at which the organisms are predators and rely on producers. So let us have a look at some of the food items obtained from the animals. First thing is milk. We all know milk. Where do we get from? Cows, buffaloes, sheep, goat and camels. These are all a great source of milk. So milk is called as an ideal food because it is rich in vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates and fats. And the milk is also converted into other useful products. So there we say it as a dairy product. So that is always the milk. Next is curd, cream, cheese, butter, etc. So these are also sources of food we get from animals. So all of these are made from milk and the milk come from the animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. Honey is also another food we get from animals, that is namely honeybees. Eggs, where do we get from? Chickens, ducks, geese and quails are raised for eggs and meat mainly. So the egg is a rich source of protein and vitamin. The yolk of the egg contains vitamins, phosphorus, calcium and iron. Meat, it is of two types again, red meat and white meat. So the meat of goat, sheep and pigs has a lot of fat and it is called as red meat. One more is white meat which contains less fat and is obtained from chicken and fish. So white meat is healthier and can be easily digested as compared to the red meat. And this meat is also rich in proteins, vitamins, zinc, phosphorus and iron. Not only this, another source of food is where we get from animals is seafood. So this is fishes and other sea creatures like crabs, lobsters, oysters, etc. that we catch. They too are consumed by humans and are an important source of food in coastal regions especially. Fish constitute an important and rich source of high quality animal protein. So we get fish from both freshwater and marine water. So these are the different food items we get from animals, and the food from animals is rich in nutrients. Eating meat strengthens the bones and the immune system. So young children like you should consume the enough milk daily to get enough calcium and to make the bones and teeth stronger. So these are the different food items that we get from animals.